Now it is my great pleasure to introduce our student speaker, Stephanie Sapin. It is my pleasure to tell you a little bit about Stephanie. She was competitively chosen by a committee of peers, students, faculty, and staff. Stephanie was chosen for the impact of her comments and her ability to speak to the graduating class and to all our graduates. She is a managerial economics major from San Diego, California. She came to UC Davis to pursue her interest in food policy and systems. During her time here, Stephanie has been involved with Aggie Ambassadors, the Student Farm, and even gave intramural sports a try. Stephanie completed the Student Leadership Development Series and was named the Western Agricultural Economics Association's Outstanding Senior at UC Davis. She plans to continue her studies in the fall when she will be attending UC Davis graduate program in Agricultural and Resource Economics. Ladies and gentlemen, students, please welcome our student speaker, Stephanie Sapin.
Good morning, and a warm welcome to the families, friends, faculty, and staff here today. On behalf of the 2013 graduating class, I thank you for being here to celebrate and support us as we enter the real world, or perhaps more accurately, as we move back home. I would also like to thank you for helping us get to this point. None of us did this alone. Whether you're a parent who helped us through school both financially and emotionally, an advisor who steered us in the right direction as we fumbled through different majors, or a professor who helped us realize our true potential. You supported us through this journey and made this day possible. Thank you. On behalf of all the graduates, I would like to especially thank all the fathers and father figures here today on Father's Day. And a special shout out to my own dad. Thanks, Dad. I stand here today proud to call myself an Aggie. Since coming to UC Davis, I have been asked by friends and family, what exactly is an Aggie? Well, I'm pretty sure it has something to do with being a historically agricultural school. The real answer is much more complicated. These people down here on the floor in the funny hats, these are Aggies. We have spent the last several years being Aggies. We rode our bikes, went to the farmer's market, petted the dairy cows on campus, and napped in the arboretum. We survived picnic day in houseboats. We became experts at timing the speed of bicyclists in order to cross between them, or as I like to call it, Davis Frogger. But what defines an Aggie more than anything else, more than these shared experiences, is the rampant kindness at UC Davis. The Aggie community is one full of people with a strong sense of doing what's right. The vibe at Davis is unlike anything else I've ever experienced. Strangers smile at each other. We care about our school and the greater good. In the fall of 2011, a response to student protesters on campus received both national attention and outrage. However, as a student here, I was not struck so much by the actual incident as I was by the campus reaction. There was a silent bond between us all, an understanding that this is our school, these are our peers, and we will not stand for either to be hurt. We did not act with a mob mentality of vengeance, but instead held campus discussions on how to do better going forward. I feel honored to be a part of this student body and to receive a degree from this university. There may have been times, maybe under the fluorescent lights of the 24-hour room at Shields, that you wondered what it would be like if you had attended a different school. Who would you be if you weren't an Aggie? Well, I have met that person, the un-Aggie me, because I transferred here. In fact, this is the 5th college I've attended. My other schools provided me with an education, but it was here at UC Davis that I found a community, a group of people who constantly inspired me to be better. I am proud of the person I am today, the Aggie I have become. And I hope I speak for all the graduates. We are Aggies, and we are better people for it. Fellow graduates, I will not pretend to be able to give you advice for the road ahead, but I will encourage you to always be an Aggie. Remember that sense of Davis pride and what it is to be a good person, a person who can affect the world around them. Look around you right now at your fellow Aggies and appreciate the community you all created for each other. After today, we will leave the safety of this campus for futures unknown. Our pasts are uncertain. We're nervous and maybe a little scared about what lies ahead. But we are also excited about our future. The world is open to us, and we still believe that we can and will make a difference. As we go our separate ways, what I ask of you is to hold on to that belief, to go out and to actually make the world a better place, because that's what it means to be an Aggie. Thank you.